iPhone 17 event didn't just drop JAWS, it dropped iPhone Air and the feature-packed iOS 26 update that's already redefining what your iPhone can do. But before you dive into translucent menus, redesigned apps, and next-level intelligence, your iPhone needs a little TLC. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Installing a major iOS update is like prepping for a digital makeover. Exciting, but it needs the right prep. So whether you're hyped about the new liquid glass design or curious about Apple's AI-powered enhancements, here's your step-by-step guide to get your iPhone ready for iOS 26. Step 1. Check your compatibility. iOS 26 isn't for every iPhone. It's available only for iPhone 11 and newer models, including iPhone SE. If you're holding on to your iPhone XR, XS, or XS Max, this is where your journey ends. Then, step 2. Back it up or risk it all. Before tapping download and install, back up your iPhone, whether by iCloud or your Mac using Finder or iTunes. Secure your precious photos, messages, and contacts just in case something goes sideways. Step 3. Meet Liquid Glass. iOS 26's stunning new Liquid Glass interface brings transparency to menus and icons, making your home screen feel alive and immersive. Make yourself familiar with the visual shift so it doesn't catch you off guard. And the last step is, before installing, make sure features like call screening and visited places and maps are enabled to experience the full power of iOS 26. Once updated, play around with the redesigned camera, explore Apple Intelligence, and make the most of the smartest iOS yet. Change is coming, so you better get your iPhone ready for it. Have you already upgraded your iPhone? Comment down your thoughts and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.